2013 386 Peterbilt, Paccar engine, 13-speed. Truck is deleted, so keep in mind, truck is deleted. Check the power windows, they work. Check the power mirror on this side. Power mirror on this side works. Check the other side. Power window works. So I'm not getting the power mirror on that side to work. So I'm not sure what the issue is, but it's not working. Okay, wipers. So I'm not getting the spray, but it could be that it's out also. Turn signal. Right now, the air conditioning is on. It is cold outside, so I don't know if the system is working or not. I think they said all the air conditioners were working, but I can't really tell. The heater does work in the truck. The heater was on when I came over. Cruise control works. Idles the truck up. Truck down. Radio. It does have navigation. Again, the flashing is just from the radio, not from, it's not from the radio, it's from the camera, sorry. Touchscreen. Still figuring out how to use the thing. Not getting any sound. I don't know if it's, oh, unmute. So I have it muted. There we go. Again, just have to know how to use the radio. It does have Sirius. It's not active. USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, CD player there. Yeah, this has navigation. It's got all kinds of cool stuff on it. Air suspension, fifth wheel, diff lock, 13-speed transmission, Jake brakes. Does shift nice. So